Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you again to our channel. I'm Samuel. Today is Monday evening, and we're approaching 7 p.m. in a few minutes. So we're gonna hit 7 p.m. Eastern time. A pleasure to be here, Trader. So yesterday we took a huge loss. Trader, it was just one shot. Yesterday, just one shot yesterday, and we took a loss, huge one. So today we hope things are going to be different, Trader. Hopefully are going to be different today. So before we move forward, Trader, we need to welcome those in friends. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Je suis Samuel. Aujourd'hui c'est lundi soir. C'est un plaisir pour moi de revenir ici. Nous avons passé, je peux appeler ça une mauvaise journée hier, ce qui concerne le résultat. Nous avons eu un mauvais résultat hier. Mais néanmoins, nous avons essayé de garder notre sang-froid, la discipline. Nous avons donné un seul coup et ça n'a pas marché. Nous sommes partis avec une grande perte. Donc aujourd'hui, nous espérons que les choses seront différentes. Donc nous allons commencer. Let's see our daily chart, Trader. Let's see that we keep going up, keep moving up, Trader. So we are now moving up on the resistance here area. We came back down all day on US because of we have news today, Trader. News came at 8:30. I think so. Yes, 8:30 today. So for the core retail sale, and I don't see any result yet here. Tomorrow still gonna have another news. So but things didn't work very well on GBP as well. Also on Canadian. So only CH worked perfectly today, and also Australia. So we see where we are now. We are on the resistance, top resistance here on Canadian. Resistance also. So we are on resistance. The resistance almost everywhere. Gotta be careful, Trader. Only GBP broke a little bit, and Canadian as well. So you may see a pullback down. Need to be careful. Already seen a break from the open. Here we don't have a, we are here on the resistance, GBP. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna have a pullback here. So yeah. Let's see. Gotta be careful to take a short. So let's see. But wait. See a rejection. Il est 19 passé ici. Vision up. Let's see. On va voir. On va rejeter. So I'm gonna go short here, trader. I'm gonna take a short position. Taking a short position here, trader. In a short position. Let's see. Wrong? No. me see. Okay, short, Twitter. Maybe I'm going to have a losing trade again. saw a rejection from the low, continuation up. Let's see if we're gonna keep coming down. C'est pas si nous allons continuer vers le bas. C'est pas. Si on le voit. Hey man, you still here? Yeah, welcome back, man. I took a little bit short here on the resistance, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but we are on the uptrend. I try this short. I'll see if it can work. We have 2 trades to take today, 2 rounds of trade. Trying to see this one. That's the first one. Be careful. You know, yesterday was a bad day. Maybe today too, you know. I don't know yet. I'm on the short, not long. You can do your own analysis there and, you know, went up. Yeah, you can go ahead and buy it if you think so, you know. You know, trading, you know, the chart is the chart. You know, it depends who read it. If you read for the buy, you can go ahead and buy. You know, that is how trading is about. Each person sees his own direction. Me, I saw the short because I'm on the resistance. You know, so that is why I took short. But I was a little bit earlier. You know. Let's see. If it trigger my stop, I will be out of the trade. If it trigger my stop, I will start now looking for a long. That is why trading is difficult, you know, because each person sees his own direction. Yeah, I see. Maybe right. Okay. Yeah, congratulations, man. The market is showing the long. Yeah, market showing long position. But I've been on the market for more than 30 minutes now, almost. Almost 30 minutes. Let's see. Close to my stop. Let's see. It was broke. To get my stop, I'm going to take a loss. Now I'll start watching my trade to see. Let's see. If you was broke here, it may go far away. Yep. So I was expecting the pullback at least here, this level. I was fake for this because this was a red candle down. Let's see. If you was trigger my stop, I'm gonna wait to see if you're gonna hold at the break for me to go long. Otherwise, you know, everything might pull back down again. It's possible. Market, nobody knows exactly, you know, what's going to happen. It should happen. Let's see. US is close to my stop. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's see. I'm close to my stop. Some trade. Let's see. Me, I'm on a 6th trade. You know, you're right. You know, money management, capital preservation is the key when you're trading. Preserve your capital. Very, very important. Otherwise, it won't come back tomorrow. I took one huge loss yesterday. You know, I was forced to close all my trade. So I have to come back today again to test, to try. Let's see. I don't know. US is close to my stop. One small move gonna trigger my stop. As a trader, we shouldn't move our stop. Our stop have to stay there. Even though we get stopped out, we may re-enter the trade anytime if you choose to. That is how trading is about. Accepting your loss is the key. My stop going to be triggered soon on the US. I'll re-enter the trade anytime. Out of US with a loss. Yeah, man, if I tell you how long I've been trading, I trade stock for 4 years, Yeah, I traded stock for 4 years, but trading I wasn't trading regularly like now. That is why I switched from stock to Forex, because Forex gives me flexibility of time. I have time to trade, but the stock, I didn't have this kind of time because the stock market opened at 9 and closed at 4. So I have to, I was suffering a lot with the stock. I didn't have time to trade because I have my day-to-day job. I have my business I have to run. So I traded stock for 4 years. I can tell you I lost a lot of money, and I switched now. Forex, this is my second year on Forex, so I'm going now to 6 years trading. I can tell you, 6 years. Maybe I'm still trading like infant, like beginners. So trading is not easy. I can tell you, trading is not easy. Somebody tell you trading is easier, he's lying to you. Trading takes time. Knowledge, education, I have it. Because if you check even in my YouTube, you see that I'm giving some courses, For education, I have a lot of education on trading. But to be a successful trader, it's not because you have education, Education is one thing, but practice is another one. So that is what I can tell you, bro. It's been a long journey. And I trade also in my office. Today in my office I was trading. I traded indices, today. Silver, US 30, NASDAQ. I was trading this morning in my office. I like trading, I like to trade. Trading is part of me, but it's not because you like something that you gotta take you. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get there, but I'm fighting. Maybe one day, I hope I answer your question, So let's see. Yeah, it's good to trade full time, because when you trade full time, you you practice. That is why this channel is to learn how to trade. We're not making money here. People who want to make money shouldn't come here, because here we're not making money. We're learning how to trade. Yes, we're learning how to trade. It's so wide. I went through your video on YouTube. I really done some weekend watching your video. Very interesting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I can tell you, I'm not making money. I haven't made money on trading. I'm not living with trading money. I never eat money from trading. I'm not here to tell people the lie, like other people lie, they lie to you. So, but I hope that one day I'm gonna get there. That is what I'm working hard. This program, trading every day here, from Sunday to Thursday. I launched it January 1st, 2025. I never skip any day. I'm here every single day. I never skip any day, no matter what. I'm here, unless maybe something depend, out of my will. I'm here every day. That is my dedication. Because when you trade every day, every single day, you're gonna learn a lot. I'm here to learn. I'm not making money. That is why you see me, I'm not taking too much size. I'm taking something according to my, what I can, just to learn. Last year, I lost, all year long, I lost something like $1,000. Yes. Because I'm taking small size. I was red January 2025, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, I was red. September, I was red. So 9 months consecutively red. And now I start, October I was green, November green, December green, January green. So I have also 4 consecutive months on green. I don't know what's going to happen in this month, February. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to have a losing month again. I don't know. But the first week was green. I don't know this week what I'm going to do. I already have a very huge losing day yesterday. I don't know if I'm going to catch up. So I'm just telling you my story. I don't know you, but I just know that you're from South Africa. I like people asking me questions. I like questions. No matter who you are, wherever you're coming from, if you have a good, how can I say, intention, you ask me a question, I'm going to answer. I've been in this journey for a long time, six years. Struggling. 6 years. A lot of sacrifices, man. A lot. People, they just make 3 years, they become profitable. Some 2 years. I know people, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, some people, smart people, I don't know. But I'm not so smart like that, There are also a lot of liars. People lie. So I'm here to help, to tell the truth, to tell my story. If my story can help people, I'm gonna help them. Yeah. People want to learn, can come and learn with me together. that maybe 1-2 years from now, if it wasn't your time, you know, because it's late there, let's say it was 7 p.m. also, you know, you could join us every day. We trade together, you know. Management, I have 2 years, yeah, 2 years trying, and I can't say I have ever had a winning trade. I also lose, take a break and go back. Yes, me, I never take a break. I always trade. I lost a lot of money, yeah, a lot. I broke a lot of account. Yeah. So I also trade with prop firm account, you know, prop firm. Try them too. Prop firm. Try prop firm account too. I got my first prop firm, you know, account. You know, funding account. Yes, I got my first funding account. Yes, last week. Since I've been trading, I never get a funded account, but I got it. So I'm grateful. I haven't made money. I just made a small money on it. So life is hard. You gotta try things, you know. You never know. One may work. Trying things. You can trade full time. You can find a schedule, you know, and trade. If you're working, like you say, you're working, you know, you find your schedule. Trade. If you're trading regularly, it's good because it's going to help you to improve your skill. And what I can recommend you also, I'm willing to join you. You are. Listen, we're gonna open a chat room. We'll trade soon, maybe by June. We're gonna trade by Zoom. We'll have a Zoom meeting where everybody gonna connect. We're gonna trade together, huh? That is the next. We're gonna have a chat room. You know, people will trade live. You know, you can speak to me, I can speak to you. You can see each other. You know, we're gonna do that soon. So trading is difficult. You know, trading is difficult. But people like to go where they're lying to them. They lie them, you know, people go there. So I may re-enter this trade here on US. If US break here below, I may go back in for the short. Well, so trader, it look like we want to come down. I'm not sure. If you come down here, I'm going to add in my position at this level. I'm going to add here. I'm going to double my position in case keep coming down. But I got to wait again. Let's see. Let's have a clear break. Let's wait and see. Yeah. About education, I have education a lot. Because I bought a lot of courses. I bought courses for maybe close to $30,000 US. Courses are bought, just bought courses. Courses are bought. I'm saying, I'm not seeing money I lost in the market. The courses are bought. Yes, I bought a lot of courses. So we see a rejection. Hopefully it will come back down. I'm not sure. See a rejection. So after courses, you know, I know a lot of things, but the problem is that it's not because you know that you're going to apply them here. Yeah, it's not because you know things that you're going to apply. People know a lot, but they don't apply them. Don't make them in practice. It's because it's hard so that your mind can accept it. Very difficult. You know that you shouldn't do this, but you do it. Coming down, trader. I'm trying to see if I can add here in my position. Let me see. Come down. Yeah, nice. I'm adding here, trader. I'm adding here. I'm adding here. Let's see. I'm adding here as well. A lot of adding here, trader. I'm going in on US as well. Trader, I'm heavy here. I went heavy. Hopefully, keep coming down. I went heavy. Maybe we may have a rejection. I know if you have a rejection here, I'm going to have a losing trade. I'm going to lose a lot again today, but hopefully things will not be like that. Hopefully, let's keep going. If US break here, I'm going to also add my position. Let's see, trader. Let's keep pushing down. I don't know if you're gonna reject there or not. Trader, we may see a rejection. I don't know, but let's see. If you reject there, I'm gonna take a loss. That'll be a huge one for me. Nice. Let's keep going. Keep pushing down, trader. Nice. I'm gonna place my first target here. Let me take my first target if I can take it. First target, if you can get there. Let's see. First target, I'm not sure. You're holding, pushing down. If I break here, I may add it here on Australia, US. May have a rejection there. See holding, trader. Hopefully, we'll keep pushing down. Not sure. No, not good. Let's see holding. Hopefully. Not good. I gotta lower my stop here in case. If I want to go back up, I will trigger my stop. See a big rejection. Trader. Lower my stop so that I should not lose a lot of money. lower my stop in case I don't expect this, expecting a continuation down. Lower my stop. If it doesn't come down, I'm going to take a losing trade here. I won't lose too much. Let's see. Let's keep pushing. See holding. Yeah, let's see. Gotta keep going down. See holding. I keep pushing down. I'm gonna re-enter US here, trader. Place my stop here. I'll trigger one. I'm trying to see if you gotta continue down. Nice. Let's see. Nice, trader. Place my first target here. Nice. Let's see. My first target, US. I'm trying to see if I can take my profit at this level. Some profit, I start taking off the table. Start taking off the table, trader, and wait. Nice trade, trader. Nice trade here. Congratulations for those who took it with me. Sometimes patient pay, they pay off, Sometimes, I've been on this trade for more than 40, 45 minutes, but pay off. Good. Let's see if we're gonna break. Let's see. Let's see. It was a great trade. It's not easy to trade and talking at the same time, Not easy. But I'm trying to do it because I've been in business for a long time, So sometimes I know it doesn't mean anything, but I try to cultivate that attitude, you know, because when you're in the business, your patience is the key. Yes, thank you. Don't hesitate to join you almost every moment when I am in the market. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate, you know. Really appreciate. So let's see. I'm checking for the reversal, but I need to know to make sure that the trade is going back up for the reversal. We are here on the US on the PV point support. So let's see. The reason I entered this trade, maybe people gonna be, you know, yeah, thank you, Chelsea. People gonna ask question. The reason I entered this trade, I stick on it, is because I checked the, you know, technical analysis here. I'm not saying that I was right, but the way all the pair was showing, because I have 4 monitors here, 4 big monitors I have here, including my laptop, so I can check certain things here which maybe you guys cannot have a possibility to see. Yeah, I can see a lot of things, you know. So I saw a lot of details. That is why I took this trade for short. I knew the trade was showing uptrend, and that is why the trap come, because most of those institutions, the bank, central bank, they drag the trade up, you know, for liquidity, and then they dump everything down. That is how they do. So you see, they brought the trade up for the liquidity. You know, when you look at those volume here, you see that it was a huge amount of unit, you know, millions they dump. So that is how they do. But when you are novice, if you don't know, when you see this setup, like this one, the setup, you say, oh, this is a long, because they broke the resistance here where they open. The market opened here, flushed down, went back here, and came and broke here. You know, when you see copper handle here, cup and handle, this level, you can understand. You know, if I widen a little bit, you'll see copper handles here. So that is how they do. When they, you see, came here, cup and handle, here, up. Now they drag people up, and they drag people up because they need liquidities. They need people, a lot of people to buy, because they have to sell to them. That is how they do. They come here, they break this resistance. They come here, they put the cup here and handle. They show you that they're going up, and now they drag a lot of people, novice. They don't know how they dump the shit, man. That is how they do. So a lot of people get trapped like that. The small experience I have in the market, I'm not saying that it's too much, it's just a little bit, you know. That is why I'm trying to figure out all those things, you know, a little bit. So another thing I'm going to advise you, I don't know your name, you know, before you maybe you go full-time in trading. Another thing I'm going to advise you is that my brother from South Africa, I'm talking about, record all your trading session. Anytime you trade, you record it. Anytime you trade, you record it, and then you watch your videos. Watch all it. This is what I do. I watch all my videos. All those videos I record, I watch them all. I watch all of them. If I tell you that, you won't believe. I watch everything. I write down my mistakes. I write down where I perform, what I have to improve. I write down, and I'll go next. That is what I do. Today, if I go to my TradeZilla here, I'm going to see the mistake I made today, last Thursday, last Tuesday, Monday. Because everything you want to do in this world, I'm going to show you something. Because I'm not just talking, huh? Show you. This week, that's from one to this. Keep going down, trader. It's like yesterday. Okay. Monday. Look at, for example, I'm going to show you. Last Monday, you see, this is what, because I'm taking small quantity. I'm not taking too much. This is what I made last Monday, you know, and this is a mistake I made. I said I was very disciplined, taking just one small trade for a reversal. I took just one trade, but last Monday. So you see, I write down what I did, and if I go to other day, like last Sunday, see, I entered some trade too earlier without even seeing the green candle. No good. That is what I did. I said for last Sunday. See, I took small trade last Sunday. See, I was green too. So that is what I do. When I make mistake, I write down my mistakes to help me to improve. That is what I can recommend you. Yes, picture is good. Picture is also good. Picture is good, but recording also it doesn't take you time. You can take a software. There are free software. Because when you record, it's better than taking picture. Because recording gonna help you to see your mood when you were trading. What made you take the trade? Was it a revenge trade? Were you upset? When you trigger your stop loss, how did you react it? All those things you have to see. You can see them on the video. Picture is good, but it doesn't tell the full story. Okay, trader, we keep moving down. I need to see my next move here. Let's see, we're approaching now the support. Let me see. I'm waiting to see the trade come to the support. I left some money on the table, but that's fine. It happened. So let's wait and see. So video recording is good. There are free software for recording. Trader will come into the low on here. We see rejection. So let's see if our trade will pull back up. I'm here to help. That is why you see this, how can I call it? Our channel, the name of the channel is Trade Africa, because I want to help our brother, African brother, those who can. I'm not saying that I've already helped myself, because I need to help myself first. So I want us to help. I want to help each other together. This channel is for all of us. No matter where you are African, it's good. You are not, it's good. But we're gonna build a big community here. Big community where there is plenty of money in the market. Millions, trillions of dollars. We just need small to make our life better. Yeah, needs more money to make our life better. Take them to Africa, So, but in order to get there, you need to learn how to trade. To learn how to trade, you need a skill. That is the skill we're looking for. C'est ça. On a besoin de. Je suis désolé pour ceux qui parlent français. Je suis désolé. Donc, j'ai beaucoup parlé en anglais. Je suis désolé pour ceux qui parlent français. Okay, you can take OBS. There is OBS, yeah. You see my just get OBS. It's free, huh? Yes, good question. Get OBS software. OBS. I write it here for you. I don't know if you're gonna allow me. That's it. Just take that one. Get that software, OBS. Get it, and you will record your stuff with. You can even, do whatever you want with. If you take it, you go to YouTube, you see how to install it in your computer. It's free. I'm here to help. So trader, let's see if you're gonna the reversal. Let's see the reversal. Okay, you're welcome, man. A lot of people, they like a channel where people are lying. People tell you things, they lie to you, they tell you, they give you dreams. People like to go there. That is why many people don't come to our channel, because we're telling the truth. The one people who are flashing things, telling you the lie and selling you things. We're not selling anything here. Maybe one day I'm going to sell, but for the moment, no. I'm not selling anything because I have nothing to sell. I have nothing to sell now. So people who are coming now, they are welcome. They can profit, they can benefit, because they might ask question and answer for free. But there is no way you're gonna ask question to somebody, trader. You're gonna answer for free for you. No, they won't do that. But I'm here, I'm doing that for free. But when you give people things for free, they don't want to take it. They want you to sell. Because if I was telling you guys that, hey, I have a strategy, I can sell it to you to make money. People could have come now to buy it. when I tell people that here we're not making money here yet, people don't want to hear it. Yes, I'm from Africa. I'm African man, huh? But I live in US. I mean United States of America, I'm from Africa, brother. We're waiting to go long. I'm waiting here to take long trade, long position here, but I need the confirmation. I don't want my trade to pull back down like yesterday it did. I don't want to see that. For that reason, I need to wait and see confirmation. But the trade is going up. Hey, sure. I own a construction business. I'm a businessman. I own a construction business. If you listen to my videos, I'm saying that I own a construction business. So I'm a businessman. So trader, if I have a second candle to make a new high, I'm gonna go long. Gonna go long here. Gonna see a candle to make a new high. For me to take a long position. Let's see. Okay, trader, I think I want to go long here. It's a risky trade, but I'm going to take it. I'm going to take this one here. Please see my stop below. So let me see, taking US as well. Let's see my stop here below. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Let's see, trader. If it turns back down, gotta be a losing trade for me. Then back down, take a loss. Trading is just probability. You never know. I don't have to scare trade. Who knows? Maybe we may see another continuation upside and making money. I'm not rich, man. I want to be rich, but I'm not. I'm not yet. That is why I'm doing trading. You know, because the money trading gonna give me, construction will not give me that kind of money. Construction is, you know, a lot of stress, man. A lot of stress. Can't tell you that I'm poor, but either I'm not poor, but I'm not rich. So maybe one day I will be rich, man, you know, but at this time I'm not. So keep holding to trade, trader. Keep pushing up. While trade keep going up, I'm going to act also. In case. Never know. Let's see how we join you in long position. We'll wait for 30-minute candle to close. Okay, that's good. If you think that you can join me, that's fine. But you gotta do your own analysis and see what you can do. Me, I'm already on the long. So the long position. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Trading is just probability, you know. My stop are there. If I don't get it, I get stopped out. Take a loss. Trading is probability. Nobody knows what the trade gonna do. Chill, it does it. Nobody knows. So you just need to place a trade. If you see an edge, take a trade, and you watch the rest happening. Nice move, trader. Let's see. Nice move. what I may add in my trade is not a double. I'm going to add just small in case. Take my direction, add small, almost half. Let's see. Trying to see if I can add in my position. I need to see, wait for next candle. This candle have to close. The next one, see how next one gonna move. Start doing what we're doing yesterday. I don't want to see this greater. I want to see this kind of pullback. I'm going to take break even. If he does it, I want to see that kind of pullback of yesterday. That is why you need to be careful when to add a trade. Nice push. Want to see our trade continue up. Stop. Gonna see our trade breaking the 20 exponential moving average. Because we are still on the bearish area here until we go above the 20. I can add my trade above the 20, not below. Let's see if we're gonna break 20. Hear me? If not, I'm gonna take this profit here, trader. Can re-enter the trade above the 20? Yes. Take this one profit here. Struggling to go up. We move above the 20 and I re-enter the trade. Because this is what he did yesterday, trader. If you remember, this scenario, same scenario, happened yesterday. Because I entered the trade at this level, it came here, you know, if you remember, exactly, this is what happened. And now I pull back down, it keep going down and down and down, if you remember. Je disais que c'est ce qui s'est passé, la même chose de hier. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Donc, maybe we might keep going up, but I need to see the trade above the 20. Need to see the trade here, above here, 20. Above the 20 here. If I see the trade there, I'll feel comfortable. Going long again. Otherwise, we may see this trade continue down. Okay, it looked like we're coming back down. But let's see the confirmation. If we're gonna break, go to new low. Yeah, but I didn't lose. I took some profit of the table. It wasn't trade for me. I took a profit because I already on profit. I came out on time, you know. Let's see, go back up. It's possible. Nobody knows. You say you from, where are you from? The guy who writes down there. From I don't read it properly, you know. Anyway, thank you for saying hi to me, you know. Thank you. Thank you. I know you're writing from Creole, English Creole. It's good. I read it. You know, my brother from another mother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, man. Maybe around June, the middle of this year, or we're trading in the chat room, you know, we're trading in that time. So, yeah, if it break, we need to wait for the confirmation. Yeah, if the trade break, wait for confirmation, possibly the retest before we take it, because it might break and reject. Or it might just go and retest the lower like it did and keep going up. We're watching here, no trade. It's too cold here in US at this time, man. Very, very cold. Yeah. So those who are trading, if you're a trader, it gotta be nice for you because you can just make your money home. You don't need to get out. So trader, we're coming back down. We may see this one coming here and reject again and go back up. It's possible. Or those guys want to keep selling. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like our video. Okay, if you're about to sell, you can go ahead and sell. No problem. You do what please you. For me, I gotta wait. I'm waiting. You gotta break and retest. for me to go sell. No, but if you think it's the best time to sell, okay, that's fine. You can go ahead and sell. For me right now, I don't see any trade yet. That is why if we were in the chat room, we couldn't have any delay. You know, when I speak, you hear me right away. You can even see me. I can see you, see me. You can even speak. Exactly. You know, I'm waiting. The person want to take the trade, let him go ahead and take the trade. You know. See a slow break. Nice. I want to see the continuation down, trader. Nice. Nice. I gotta see confirmation. Don't want to see a rejection. Want to see a continuation down. I have to enter. This is a trade I want to enter first. This guy here, and place my stop here, just here above. Okay. Enter this one. Look small quantity. Right in here, like the setup might be good. Let's see. I took one trade, this one. See, I'll go here. Yes, I need to wait for a retest and continuation down. It's just this trade I took here. This is my target here below. in case it worked. To just one trade, because we may see a rejection here and reversal up is possible. That is what I said, that I need to wait for continuation and retest. I took this one because it hasn't touched the support. I'm gonna see the trade continue down. Yeah, great. I haven't taken it. I need to wait for retest. I wait for retest on US. Good for you. The trade to keep breaking and so that I can enter. Continuation down. US support at 155.66. Support. US already kick on the support there. Gotta be careful. Let's hope that it's gonna break that level. Let's see Australia. But the support on Australia is not too far from there. Gotta be careful. 1.2282. So like the big support on Australia there. Need to be careful. I show it to you guys. I show you the support on Australia is here. See this big support, right? So you need to be careful here. Support. Wow. In my chart, I need to make it sorry about that. Because my chart have been deleted here, I need to make it again. Yeah. So look like this guy don't want to come down here. I'm out of that guy. I'm with it. So I need to see a continuation down, trader. Need to be careful. You may see it pull back there. I'm not asking you to get out, but I'm just saying that you gotta a little caution. Yesterday it went down, down and down, but today we don't know what may happen. Don't know if we're gonna do the same. For US broke here, I said I'm waiting for the retest in order to enter US. Continuation down. I want to see trade showing me that they keep going down. I don't want to get trapped. Approaching 9. There's no trade yet. I'm waiting. I took a small profit here. It was just a little bit small. Yeah, it's good. You know, I took a profit. Congratulations, man. It's not everybody take profit from the market. People, even though the market just came down like this, a lot of people lost money. Lot. If you manage to take something out of it, congratulations. Congratulations. The trade might keep going down, nobody knows. We're having now lower, lower, and lower high. Lower, lower, and lower high. We don't know if we're going to have a lower high. What we gotta notice here is for the volume. The volume is increasing. You know, the volume increase here compared to other one. So we have increase of volume, which means that maybe, you know, there are buyers or sellers, you know, a lot of, you know, unit have been poured in the market. So our volume is good. We have now this candlestick patterns. And we look at here, sign of reversal. So we had it here, before. Then a reversal, we have it here, candlestick pattern, that is the dirty. You know, dirty here, which means change of direction. Later I have to write it here. So change of direction, I'm not sure, you know, but I need a confirmation. If I see this candle breaking this high, this one coming here above, I may try to, you know, probably to go long, because this dirty change of direction coming down, it placed this one in green. Okay, you have it here, you have this green, same thing, change direction here, the direction came down. See, had it here as well, a little bit change direction. So we have to, all right, let's see the double. If you place now double green, it's bullish candle. If you put double green here, I'm gonna go long without hesitation. That is very bullish. So thank you, no problem. See you again, man. Thank you. Good luck. Okay, so I was saying this one, that I have to take a trade here. This guy, enter the trade for the long position. Let's see the confirmation. This seems bullish, but I need confirmation, trader. Very bullish. Let's see a confirmation there. Nice. Let me move. Let me see if it come above here. Taking a long position here, trader. Let's see my stop below. Let's see. Saying to see here on US as well for the long. Want to see US moving here above. That is what I was saying, that we need to be careful for the break, because it might break and reject. So, nice move. I'm gonna enter US here and place my stop below. Place my stop here. Into trade. Let's wait. I'm going to enter CH at this level when it break on the 20. This guy as well. Enter here. Just to trade. We may see a reversal continuation down. It's possible. When you think about it as well. That is what I just took. I took just two trade because I don't know what may happen. Pushing down. watching. I'm just on 2 trade. Let's see. Pushing down. Pushing down. Okay, we're ready to get out. Keep going down. I don't know if you gotta keep going down. I don't know. I'm ready to get out in case. To get out, keep pushing down. down again, I'll be out of the trade. Let's see our trade moving up, new high. Getting out here. I wait the trade to show me. For now, can re-enter anytime. Moving. Just keep going. look like I'm coming down again. Let me see this one. Sell here. Sell this one. I sell here just to take a couple of one here. Not too much. So place my stop here. Nice. Nice move. Move here. Nice move, trader. Nice move. Nice one. I'm taking this profit. I'm leaving it. Take that profit, trader. Nice. Move the profit. Gotta wait. Was a quick trade, nice profit. So today was a nice day for me. Yesterday was a very bad day, and today is a very good day. So I think I made it. So it's enough for me today. I gotta stop here. Come back again tomorrow. You know, I don't know where this you know, we have a lot of support. Let me check this right here. Select the rejection there. So anyway, I gotta pause here today. Trader, je vais m'arrêter ici. Ça a été une bonne journée pour moi. Je ne peux pas continuer à trader. C'est bon comme ça. Donc, je vais m'arrêter à ce niveau. I know that the trade keep going down, but that is it for me today. We'll see you again tomorrow, 6:45 trader. So I'm stopping like this today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, man.